Hey, a friend of mine sent me a video of an AC cooler with made out of foam, and it's got a fan on top, and they use bottles of water, frozen bottles of water to cool it down inside, and I'm going to try to make one. But I also seen a video on YouTube where it explains something about an indestructible ice, and it's simply just instead of using just water by itself to make the ice, supposedly you put some cotton inside, and it makes it more stronger, and it lasts longer. So I'm going to be trying that as well. I have also some bottles of water frozen as well, but that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Okay, right here I have, I just went to Walmart, and I just got some cotton balls. I shouldn't have gotten the cotton strips, but this is all they had. I could find at the moment. I was in a rush, but I had a little thing of export soda, empty container. So what I did, I got two of these. This is for later, but this is what I used, and I just filled this up with the cotton, and next I'm going to fill this up with water and set it in the freezer and wait for it to freeze up. And this is what I'm going to be using inside the foam cooler. Okay, here I'm filling up the container with water, just regular tap water. Okay, I opened up the other bag and I topped it off because it wasn't enough, but didn't fill the whole thing up all the way. It's got the water, so now I'm just going to put it in the freezer, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, see how long it takes for it to freeze. For this AC cooler project, well, obviously you have the foam cooler. It's a pretty thick, sturdy lid, so that's good. Okay. Got a PVC pipe. This I am going to cut right in the middle, evenly, and we're going to have one here, one piece here, and one piece there. In the top of each piece will be these elbows. And they will be about this size, or more or less around right there. And then we can just adjust these for the airflow to come out. One on this side, one on this side. The little plastic container, the cracker, the soda cracker container fits here perfectly, right in this area, and I have enough space for this area to put those two tubes. And I got this this fan. It's a 12-volt fan. I took the clip off. The clip would go right here, so I took the clip off. That would be right there, and because I don't need it for this project. And we're going to have the two PVC the two PVC pipes here, the outlets, plus this is going to go right around here in the center. And as I turn it on, it's going to force the wind. It's going to go down, get mixed up with the cold, and come out the two tubes in the front. So that should provide some cold air, like an AC. I have this connector. This is from a solar charging kit, which I had bought one of those for my solar projects, and this is the kit I bought. I got this at Harbor Freight. You can see right here, this is the part I'm using along with the clips. So this what here will connect to the input of the fan and allowing me to connect this to a 12-volt battery. And so this whole power is going to be powered by 12-volt batteries, or I can hook it up to my shed 12-volt solar system. So that's what I got so far, and I'll start to build next.